Greetings, YouTube. Finally, YouTube. Finally, we hear strange sounds in the morning. We hear weirdness. Maybe we'll get lucky and it'll actually repeat. We'll give it a minute and see what happens. There it went in the distance, just when the dog looked up. I don't know if it picked up or not. Weird, strange, holly sounds in the distance. Right there, something moved and I'm hearing weird chatter. Did you hear the weird chatter? I don't know what makes that noise. Did you hear that? Like I don't know, like a wood knot maybe, something hitting a tree. That could have been anything. The chatter could have been anything. The strange noises could have been anything, but it's weird. Well, I think I caught a couple of little things on camera. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And that weird sound picks back up, I'll start another video. Till next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog over there, and we'll be back. Vlog over.